Good morning, everyone. We're back at Knott's Berry Farm for a weekly update. All the Merry Farm decorations are coming down. It is in between seasons here, so we're going to go around and show you what rides are open and closed. Of rides down for the annual refurbishments while they prepare for the Peanut celebration. Starts February 8th through the first weekend in March at the schedule down in the description. But first, we got to say thank you to all the firefighters, first responders that have been battling all these wildfires we've had in Southern California. We've had friends that have been evacuated, that have fled their homes, so have definitely not been impacted by all this. A few came really close to my home as well, so definitely feeling that this week. Needed a little bit of a break. Look for the Red Cross, see where you can donate supplies. I know there's been so many donations pouring in that, like at the Rose Bowl and Santa Anita Park, but if you can help out any way you can, try to look for something to do that. So let's go walk around Knott's and see what's new and what's closed. Our first ride closure here in Camp Snoopy, the Beagle Express Railroad. Not sure what they're doing to it, but it is closed for refurb. And the winds this week, we all know, have been out of control, and it looks like they've done some damage to the tarps up there on Montezooma. The canoe at Camp Snoopy, the entrance was supposed to be moved over here when the land was redone, but we're still waiting on that. We have not forgotten. And the bridges are closed as well. I think we noticed this on New Year's Eve that they were closed. I'm not sure why they're still closed. The Camp Snoopy Coca-Cola refill station has been redone within the last few weeks, right, during Merry Farm. But the truck did not come back that sold fruit. I think they got moved into that refrigerator, but the truck kind of added some ambiance. Maybe it'll come back. The Welcome to Camp Snoopy sign, I think, tore during a windstorm at the end of Scary Farm and is still not back yet. We have the sun directly in our view here, but this is what Montezooma looks like. No update or progress here, although the park said it was supposed to open this year, 2025. We'll see. Keep our fingers crossed. It appears as if everything in Fiesta Village is open, including Dragon Swing, because we just saw it going. I guess that had been closed for a little while, but it is back open again. And Soul Spin is back open too, so we'll walk over there. Oh, Sky Cabin and Dragon Swing, we just checked, were actually on the website for listed as scheduled closures, but both are running today. So we're going to go on the Sky Cabin, check out the view.
All right, we have reached the top if you'd like to stand up.
Look, here in front of Coasters, I was looking at saying we have new umbrellas, but I think the whole tables are new. Are those new? Those concrete tables and umbrellas? These totally are new, and they're actually really comfortable too. It replaced those old plastic metal ones. We'll see if those are gone over by Johnny Rockets. They're ADA compliant as well. And these new umbrellas are kind of like old school metal. That's really cool. This is the kind of information you'll only find here on the Funnel Cake blog, because I can guarantee you that no one else noticed this. The Sky Cabin is not actually down for maintenance, but what still is Wipeout. This went down for maintenance during Scary Farm. We haven't reported, but this was open during Merry Farm, that they are now selling Dippin' Dots here at the Pacific Coast Pastries and Roasts when it is open. We haven't come over here in a while to check on our feathered friends. This is an egret, right? An egret, not to be confused with Ansel Elgort, the actor. Is that his name? What's his name? These tables are still here. Hopefully these get replaced too, because those look really nice over there. The park is not yet decorated for Peanut celebration, but it looks like the landscaping is being changed out. They always do such a good job here with the landscaping.
And we've showed you in previous videos some of the 2025 Snoopy themed merchandise. This is available throughout the park.
These lemon and watermelon drops from the classic candy store. I've actually sat 8 entire bags in one sitting. There they are. We are here in front of the Calico Mine Stage where the Home for the Holidays set has come down. Peanuts, there's something is flying around and attacking Jen. It runs, now she's got me totally confused here. It runs February 8th through March 9th. It's Saturdays and Sundays plus President's Day. Peanut celebration, ton of fun, brand new food menu. We have not gotten that yet, but as soon as we see what it is, we'll let you know. There's usually 2 shows here on the Calico Mine Stage, a daytime show and a nighttime show. There's usually, and now this is all just usually happens, we haven't gotten the full schedule yet, the Peanut Sketch School and a trivia game in the Birdcage Theater. There's usually a dance party with all the characters near the fountain. meet and greets, and there's usually games on the small stage. But again, that's been in the past. We'll have all that information shortly for you, but that's typically what happens, and that is included with your daily admission or your season pass. So looking forward to seeing what the shows are here this year. We have a feeling Jelly of the Month Club will be back. That show is so much fun, and then we'll see what the daytime show is here, plus whatever surprises they may have in store for us. So let's keep on going. Also currently down for refurbishment, actually track work, is the Ghost Town and Calico Railroad. They are working on the track. They started this project last year and stopped it to reopen it for Boysenberry Festival and the summer events. And right now it looks like they're working on the track between the station here in Ghost Town and Fiesta Village. Another ride closure we have is Calico River Rapids. This is down for annual refurbishment. Wilderness Broiler is not open today, and today is Sunday. Pony Express is also down. We've noticed they've put in a new sign here. I think this is one of those digital signboards, and we'll maybe have one of those what are they, fast lane machines possibly, but at least a digital board. I almost forgot to mention our friends Eric Lynxwiler and Chris Merritt wrote a book on the history of Fairy Tales, the ride, which is 50 years old, if you can believe that. Absolutely fascinating book. They gave a historical presentation with the Orange County Historical Society, the Orange County Archives the other night here in Orange. Fascinating. And if you want the book, I highly recommend picking it up. We'll put a link down in the description on where to get that online. What did we miss? Oh, the planters are gone outside of the Starbucks in the marketplace. Those are gone. We didn't mention that there's usually something for Peanut Celebration in the town hall, usually a museum. The marketplace, the Emporium, is still open with Christmas merchandise for 60% off. And actually I got a Department 56 Knott Scary Farm 50th anniversary sign for $20. So there you go. That is it. If we missed any updates, let us know down in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and follow us on social media. Jen wasn't in it at all, not even her hand this time. There she was. She made an appearance.
And once again, our hearts go out to everyone impacted by the fires this week in Southern California. If you have the opportunity to donate, please find a charity in your area that can help the victims, including the Red Cross. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you soon.